Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Instagram that allows you to manage your tagging preferences right from your PC. If you've ever wanted to let everyone tag you in their posts, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon on the left side menu. This icon usually appears as three horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings from this menu. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, look for the option labeled Tags and Mentions. This section is crucial as it controls how others can interact with you on Instagram regarding tagging. Under the Who Can Tag You section, you'll see different options for managing your tagging preferences. Here, choose Allow Tags from Everyone. This setting will enable anyone on Instagram to tag you in their posts and stories, making it easier for friends and followers to include you in their content. It's important to note that while this feature enhances your visibility and engagement on the platform, it may also lead to more notifications from users you may not know. Therefore, keep an eye on your mentions and tags to ensure a positive experience. Once you've made this change, you're all set. Now everyone can tag you on Instagram, allowing for more shared moments and interactions. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and updates on how to make the most of your Instagram experience.